Okay, guys, we are going to get some few things outside. I'm with Wisdom. Hi. Welcome back, guys. Okay, these people are not there. Oh, what happened, Wiz? I wanted to get some.
They're off, look.
I'm open today.
They're off, they tomorrow. Good, yeah.
They said they're off today.
Really? They're not there. Okay, maybe we'll go. Let me look back. Other people are there. That was it. The same, eh? Chicken and all the rest of it.
No, listen.
So we.
So listen, you hear that?
Okay. I wanted to buy some plantain here, but they are closed. They have only the small ones. The small ones. Okay.
We need white bread.
Sorry. Corn. Oh,
Wheel of corn.
in the smooth zone. Let's go.
fresh. Okay guys, this is what we got outside. Cow tongue. So I'm cleaning it now. I'm going to add more hot water to clean it very well. This part of meat is so tasty, guys. If you haven't tried it in your stew, try it. Tastes so good when you mix it with shaki. Shaki. Oh my god. So but the work here is to clean it. You need to clean it very, very well. Okay, so I'm going to add more hot water in it and make sure that it's well cleaned. Tastes so good, guys. So I'm going to add more hot water. Hot water will help it to peel very, very easily. Alright, so not gonna struggle. I'm going to add more hot water and cover it for another 3 minutes. I will come back to it and clean it all. So over here I'm making lunch for my family. Let me keep the cow tongue flavors. Okay guys, all right guys, all right, it's okay like that. So I want to allow Favor today to play around with my hair.
I think I have lots of good ideas for this hair.
So I just want to allow her to play around with this my natural afro hair. So let's see what she would come up with. So I want you to just pack it, only packing like ishintuku, just pack it, right?
Okay.
Divide it like this and you use rubber band like this.
I might divide it into 4.
This one, this side, just right, it will be 2. Then this side will be 3. So
yeah,
that is basically it. Oh yeah.
Her hair's so fluffy.
She missed making my hair.
Yeah.
She makes
It's
it
a long
a lot. So today, just play with it. Play with it.
This is so satisfying.
It's cold inside.
Yeah.
It's sunny outside, but inside is so cold. The boys are outside playing football. So they are enjoying the good weather outside. Not tiny, or big. I hope you know.
Yeah.
Not tiny, because this one should be like this too.
Yeah.
I don't want it tiny.
Then I'll do this to make it tight.
Okay.
And that's it. Now I'm gonna do more. Yeah, the knocking is coming from the boys outside. The boys are really enjoying the nice weather. So we finished the parting and all that stuff.
You will use your hand to.
Wait, can I use the brush?
Okay.
Yeah. Like,
Wait, did you
a little.
No, just brush up, like to. Yeah.
Okay.
This is edge control. This argan oil perfect edge control. No, perfect edges. Yeah, this one. See, first is it focusing?
Okay, we're sorry.
Yeah,
Yeah.
argan oil. Argan oil perfect edges. Okay.
I want to see every part of it. Parting.
This side.
Well, I need to put more on this side because it's sticking out.
That looks so good.
Yep, it does look good. I am great at doing your hair. So
Emma, how is it?
Good.
You like the hair? Oh, leave my phone.
yes.
Wow. You did a good job. So, let me have a different look this week. That's so beautiful.
See my hand.
That's so beautiful. That's so beautiful. Okay.
No, you do see my hand. You see my hand.
There we go.
Wow. So, all done. See my hair, guys. I'm gonna rock it this week.
Yup, you look
Like this only.
So good. So, naturally. So, Favor, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I love the hair.
Pleasure to do your
Again.
hair again.
Okay.
Yep. Now it's good.
So, guys, that is it. Okay. Let me tell you guys the reaction of Vaseline. Guys, I made a video on, when I went to, no, they my back, Eva. I made a video on the day I went for my vaccine. So I'm going to tell you the reaction of the vaccine. This is after 2 days, guys. So the reaction was terrible. The reaction was terrible, guys.
Like after a few hours.
Yes, after a few hours. That time you saw me making food and dancing. I had paracetamol and all the pains. I couldn't feel it again. But after the next day, that is the next day, guys.
It just hit her.
Yeah. So I'm not saying all these things to, scare you guys. I'm not saying it to scare you. But guys, you have to follow it up with paracetamol. Me, I'm on your job. I don't like medicine, be it paracetamol or anything called medicine. I don't like it. I am not here to discourage anyone that haven't had his vaccine or her vaccine. So try and take yours. I'm not trying to discourage anyone. I'm only saying my own reaction, okay? So that is basically it. Try and follow it up with paracetamol because I don't like medicine. I kind of ignore taking paracetamol. So guys, I'm going to end this vlog here. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel, share our video, okay? Share. Please support our ministry. My returning subscribers always chop kiss. How does this hair look, guys? I'm loving it. I'm loving the look. So that is basically it. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. See you in our next video. Love you all as always. Okay? I'm gonna jolly. Shake your jolly. Shake you my jolly. Bye guys. Bye. Oh dear.